Okay, we got our cheeky snacks. Come on, chickies. Today we've got watermelon and strawberries. And they love watermelon. It's their favorite. Ooh. Here you go. Oops. Hold on, let me flip it over to you back. Oh, they love this watermelon. Look at that. Getting after it. I'm gonna have to save some for the little chickies. Oh my gosh, she does. There we go. You get the baby bump?
Mm-hmm.